Welcome to our hands-on experience with the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, shown here in all three matte finish colors. From left to right, you're looking at Blue Shadow, Coral Red, and Jet Black. Samsung is also offering an online exclusive color, Mint. Let's start with the Blue Shadow variant. It features a matte finish that resists fingerprint smudges and looks stunning in person. The biggest upgrade? The 4.1-inch flex window, now covering the entire front when folded. It's not just larger, it's brighter at up to 2,600 nits and smoother with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This is what it looks like from the back when you unfold the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Flip it over, and you'll see the main display has grown slightly to 6.9 inches, up from 6.7 inches on the Flip 6. On the left side, you will find the SIM tray. At the bottom are the USB Type-C power and data port, as well as 2 microphone ports and 1 speaker port. The power and volume control buttons are located on the right side. At the top, you will only find 2 additional microphone ports. Embedded into the top of the main display is a 10-megapixel camera. There is no change to the dual camera combination at the back as well. You will still get a 50-megapixel dual-pixel main camera with a wide f1.8 aperture, as well as a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with an f2.2 aperture. Check out the Armor Flex hinge in action, still smooth and satisfying to fold. Now let's take a closer look at the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in the Coral Red color. The larger flex window display looks stunning with a slim bezel that is only 1.25 millimeter wide. While Blue Shadow is supposed to be the hero color, Coral Red is a shade that is sure to turn heads. Under the hood, Samsung switched from using a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor to its own Exynos 2500 processor. The Samsung Exynos 2500 has a 10-core CPU and a Samsung Eclipse 950 GPU that supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing. The Exynos 2500 also comes with a 39% faster neural processing unit for significantly better AI performance. Built on the 3-nanometer gate all-around process technology, Samsung claims that Exynos 2500 will offer better power efficiency as well as greater performance. We will test those claims in our upcoming performance and battery reviews of the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Finally, here is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in the classic jet black color. The larger flex window now feels more usable, even though its features remains largely unchanged. While some may call black boring, this matte black finish gives it a premium minimalist vibe. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 continues to be IP48 rated. That means it will withstand immersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. Its hinge prevents it from being completely dustproof, but it is protected against the ingress of solid objects larger than 1 millimeter. While we have not tested the Galaxy Z Flip 7 yet, we expect it to have significantly longer battery life. Not only does it come with a more efficient processor, Samsung increased its battery capacity by 7.5% to 4,300 mAh. We will be testing that out in our forthcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 battery review. We hope this hands-on look at the Galaxy Z Flip 7 colors and upgrades was helpful. For more details, please check out our full article linked in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting our channel through the links below. Thank you.